Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we did our 10.25 inch Android screens, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of hard in two Audi vehicles. One is Audi A5 Coupe, and we add our OEM fit trunk handle. Car was basic with non-MMI, and the other one is Audi Q5. We'll show you one by one. So this is our 10.25 inch Android screen, and right now I'm doing wired CarPlay. Also you can do wireless CarPlay as well. So the screen is fully touch. You can scroll left, right, and you can navigate through CarPlay. You can go to Google Maps, you can use Waze. The way that you get sound through these units, you need AMI cable, which is inside the glove box compartment, and we hook it up. No need to connect the auxiliary, just activate the aux. By clicking on media, it activates the auxiliary, so you're gonna have sound through our screen. So due to copyright, I cannot play any songs, but you can go to Spotify, you can play any songs from Spotify, and the quality of the sound is perfect. And by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera full screen. If your car comes with parking sensors, you can touch the parking sensors and it shows the picture of the car, and the sensors will be activated. If you don't have it, you can simply just touch the screen and make it as a full screen. This is with dynamic parking guidelines. So by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic guidelines they turn to. And by clicking on Audi MMI, we go to the aftermarket mode. And by touching the MMI mode, we can go back to the factory MMI. This is the general setting. That's the dashboard. It shows the RPM and speed. It's a cool feature to have. And also we do have apps here, so you can share your data from your phone to the screen, or you can insert SIM card directly inside the screen. And this is the second car, Audi Q5. Again, we did our 10.25 inch Android screen with the trunk handle camera, which it mounts to the OEM trunk handle. Replace it with the factory built into it. The Android Auto is wired, so it has to connect to our USB dongle, and that's the Android Auto. Again, it's fully touch screen. You can use Google Maps. This reads from your phone, and also you can use let's say Waze. And by going to reverse, same thing as that Audi A5, you can get the backup camera. If your car comes with sensors, you can activate it or deactivate it. By clicking on exit, you go back to the main menu. You can go to the Audi MMI. By touching the screen, you go to the aftermarket mode. Again, same function as the Audi A5, so I don't want to repeat it again. And also here you can change it to wherever you navigate before, or you can change it to the song that you were playing or the date. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. These are our latest iNav screens that we posted them on our website, and we do have live tech support. We have the option for live tech support during installation or just for troubleshooting. You can select those options easily from our website. And also, if you want to book an appointment or if you have any other questions, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 or visit our website 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.